Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the SIM number and account name. This prevents wrong account reloads. Once done, pick your payment method, card, mobile wallet, or a scratch/top-up code, and make sure your phone shows network signal so confirmation messages arrive. If you use a vendor or app, open it and select Reload or Top Up. Enter the exact mobile number and choose an amount. Doing these first steps carefully saves time and avoids refund hassles later. Now you select the reload amount and check the total with any service fees. This matters because small fees can change the final credit. Next, input your payment card details or scratch card code exactly as shown, and when using apps, confirm the phone number autofilled matches your SIM. Once you review the confirmation screen, authorize the payment. After authorization, wait for a success message or transaction ID. Keep that for records, because it helps if a follow-up is needed. Finish by checking for the SMS confirmation and a balance update. If the new credit doesn't show, restart your phone and check again. Make a note of the transaction ID or payment receipt, because when you contact customer support, you'll need that to resolve issues quickly. If the reload fails, try an alternate payment method or vendor, and contact the operator with your transaction ID. As a single troubleshooting tip, verify the mobile number and retry only after confirming no duplicate charge occurred.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.